Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel, and here we are. It's another Cookies for Hadlee video. In this video, we're going to make peanut butter cookies because they're a classic, an American classic, peanut butter cookies. And because we have used the general cookie mix, which there will be a video, every single video I'm going to tell you that in the description is a link to the very first video showing you how to make the general cookie mix. And that is going to be the base for all of the cookies, and you can make so many cookies with this mix. So be sure and check that out. If you haven't already made it, you need to make it. Now write these down as I tell you. First of all, the oven is preheated to 375. Okay, write that down. Secondly, for the ingredients for this cookie, you're going to need 3 cups of the general cookie mix. So you've already got that stored in a big bag. Just scoop it out. You're good to go. Cuts out all the time of measuring and doing all the things you need to do. It's just ready to go. It's perfect. You need 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar, which I have right here. You need a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 eggs, which I got right here, and 1/2 cup of chunky style peanut butter. I like chunky. If you don't like chunky, I don't see if there'd be a problem if you just use smooth, but chunky is always good because there's little bits of peanut in there. So all we're going to do with this is we're going to combine all the ingredients and just mix it well. Then you're just going to shape it into little balls, but you know, I got my little cookie scoop, and this is perfect because I can scoop it and then I can make it little balls, put it on my cookie sheet. I like to use this silicone sheet. I actually got a set of these at Costco a long time ago. You can also use parchment if you don't have one of those, but I'll tell you what, since I got these, I absolutely love them. So I use that. So I can just make a little ball, put it on there, and then I'm going to use the old classic fork tines and you're going to push them down crossways, one this way, one that way, and it makes a classic peanut butter looking cookie. Okay, so that's all we're gonna do. It's so simple. But first, I'm gonna crack my eggs into the bowl because I like to break them up. And these are eggs that my chickens laid for me because they want me to have good, nutritious things. So I love my chickens. So I got that. There we go. I had to put the shells in the sink. And now I'm just gonna kind of break those up. And it's so simple. You get the ingredients, combine the ingredients, and I'll go over them again one more time. And then you're just going to combine them well. So it's 3 cups of the mix, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, 1/2 cup of chunky style peanut butter, and 2 eggs. So I'm going to put the eggs in. Now I'm going to go ahead and put that packed brown sugar in. And then I got me a little scoopy scoop to get the peanut butter, the 1/2 cup of peanut butter out. There we go. And it just, when you have this cookie mix, it's so easy and it makes good cookies. And this is the best way forever for someone learning to make cookies. I love it. And I have used it for years. And we're going to do a teaspoon of vanilla, but you know, I love vanilla. So I kind of do a teaspoon overflowed because I love the vanilla. I always feel like it doesn't hurt to have extra vanilla. Okay, now we're just going to mix this up. And you don't even need to use a mixer. You can just use your spoon. We're just going to keep mixing this until it makes a nice cookie dough that is scoopable, that I can scoop on my little trays and flatten with the fork. So great. Classic peanut butter cookies. Who doesn't love them? All right, we're getting there. See, it doesn't actually take a lot to mix it up because there's actually shortening in that cookie mix. So it kind of mixes well that way. I could just come back after it's mixed, but I want you to see how quick it is. So you can speed through this if you want. If you don't want to watch me mix my cookies. I don't ever, when I'm cooking, I don't make you watch me cut my vegetables, but I'll make you watch this so you can see. See, look at that. All done. Perfect consistency from a little scooper. And you can see it just, oh, there's a little bit of egg that didn't get mixed in. Got to make sure that's in there, incorporated nicely. There we go. You can see, almost like Play-Doh. Perfect. I'm going to scoop this off of here. There we go. Oh, smells like peanut butter cookie dough. How handy. Okay, I can see the little bits of peanut butter in there. I've got to get that little chunk of brown sugar. There's like a little bump of brown sugar there I want to get out. That's not going to break up, so I'm just going to take, there it is. There it is. I'm going to take it out. There we go. Okay, so now we're just going to get the old scooper out. I'm going to make little balls. Okay, how easy. And then these will go in that oven at 375 for 10 to 12 minutes. They all seem to go for about 10 to 12 minutes. But like I said in my last video, I'll set it for 10 and then I'll check it and see if it needs to be more. So now I'm just going to put this in here, make a little ball. And then I'm going to take the cookie dough. Now some people only do one. I do two. I'm a peanut butter double cross fork tying girl. So I'm going to do them all, and then we'll put these in. I'll show you them when they come out, and then I'll do the rest of them. Then we'll do a taste test. And I have some really fun other cookies coming up in this little series. I'm going to make a tropical one that has maraschino cherries in it. Pretty cool. And a lemon one. It's a lemon icebox cookie. That cold lemon cookie. It's a good one. And it's perfect for this summer because it's lemony. And to me, anything with lemon, I'm all for it. Now, you can make these cookies smaller if you want. You can make them bigger if you want. But when you do that, you need to make sure you watch them. If they're smaller, they're going to cook quicker. If they're bigger, you're going to have to leave them a little bit longer. Okay. Peanut butter. There we go. A glass of milk and peanut butter. Perfect. Peanut butter cookie. Now, you could also use, like in that last video, if you saw it with the sweet vanilla cookies, if you wanted to, you could sprinkle a little bit of the sugar topping on there. But my kitchen is really hot right now. So this is really soft. And you can see that's actually going to turn out to be a pretty good sized cookie. So there. Okay. Perfect. Just stick that in there. I do love these mats. Like I said, I got this at Costco, and I'm tempted every time we see them to get another set. Okay, there is the peanut butter cookies. Now I'm going to pop these in that 375-degree oven, and we're going to check them at 10 minutes, and then I'll tell you exactly how long they take. There they are. Don't they look like the perfect peanut butter cookie? Yum. All right, I'm going to let these cool off, and I'll do the second batch, and then I'll come back. So the second batch is done. I've got them sitting on the cooling rack to cool down, but I want to show you these cookies. Look at them. They're so good, and they're nice. See, oh my gosh, so perfect. So I'm going to give one of these a try. I probably don't even need to try them because they're so good. And I know, because I've made them before. Classic peanut butter cookies. Like, if you are a peanut butter cookie lover, you're going to love these cookies. So I am very excited about these. They're delicious. And you can see the back. See how it's just that perfect color? And these are just so easy to make using that general cookie mix. So I'm going to link that below. And I hope you guys give these a try because they're phenomenal. And as always, thanks for watching. And I'll see you on Tuesday when I make another cookie using the general cookie mix. Have a great day.